du soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and here is another video on Papercraft tutorial. So now let's get started. So to begin, I took an old book which is of not use to me anymore, cut the paper into strips, further cutting them into tiny pieces. Take those pieces into a bowl or a jar. And add water to them. And let it soak in water for 5 to 6 hours depending on the paper quality and texture. So after it has soaked well enough, strain the water out of the jar. Grind the mixture into a fine paste or a pulp. Until you get the consistency of this sort. So for this video, I'm not going to use a rectangular decal. Instead, I'm using a circular one which is available in the kitchen due to the size overlap with the bowl size. One can use anything according to one's preferences. Next step is to put the paper pulp into the bowl and mix it gently. and then put the decal or a strainer gently into the bowl and collect the pulp onto it. Use a good absorbent or a sponge to absorb the excess water. This process might be a little difficult for the first time makers, and hence one needs to be considerate about how much pressure one needs to put. Next step is to upturn the strainer onto a clean and a dry piece of fabric. This process needs to be done very gently. And then let the paper dry on its own and wait for the results.